Once just an echoing remnant of wartime history, this abandoned air raid shelter stood forgotten beneath a sleepy neighborhood. Its potential unlocked by a visionary architect, the shelter underwent a remarkable transformation into an architectural embassy representing innovation and diplomacy. The process began with clearing debris and repurposing its concrete walls into soundproof, art-filled galleries. The underground labyrinth was converted into conference rooms with cutting-edge technology, bathed in LED lighting that mimics natural daylight. To merge history with modernity, a stunning glass atrium was introduced, allowing natural light to flood the space while preserving its historic character. This extraordinary conversion is a testament to resilience and creativity, turning a relic of the past into a beacon of potential.